George, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, I have a friend who purchased a vehicle back in September, a 2016 vehicle, and he got overwhelmed by he's a bipolar, and he got overwhelmed by the pressure of the salespeople. He went for the deal, and it's a very high payment, and he doesn't want the car anymore. Is there any way he can turn it in?
There's no legal way for him to unwind this deal, George. Now, when he bought this car, did he put any money down on it? Does he have any equity in this car, or is he upside down already?
I think he's upside down already. So it's like $22,000 on it.
Okay, so George, there are the cheapest way for him to get out of this deal, George. Let's say he owes $22,000. The cheapest way for him to get out of it would be for him to do a sale, even if he can only sell it for $20,000, and then at the time of the closing of the sale, he brings $2,000 to the table. He's going to have to pay $2,000 to get rid of this car. If he were to call the bank and say, hey, I'm done, I'm not making any more payments anymore, the bank will come and repossess that car. They'll sell it for $16,000, and then they'll sue him for $6,000. So either way, he's going to take a financial hit on this, but the least hit would be if he did a private sale and brought money to closing. That would be my recommendation to you, George. And, you know, Christy, we know we come across bipolar people. I mean, clients and friends of clients, you know, children of clients. Mm-hmm. And we know all about that highs and lows, man. When bipolar people are on a high, man, they think they can be.
They can do it all.
They can do it all, mm-hmm. and it's got to be a winning deal.
Mm-hmm.
They don't see the downside to it.
Correct, absolutely. But that also brings up another point, Tom, as well, with regards to the documentation that we do for families, and that's this. We do trust where we're able to put the appropriate wording in there so that if people have children or relatives or friends with the bipolar situation that they need to be able to help protect them from themselves, right. We are able to help them with that.
Well, what we're saying is this, that most people, when they pass away, their children gets their wealth outright. It is theirs to do with as they please. Mm-hmm. However, if you have a child who's a spendthrift or a child who's bipolar, then rather than give that child their share of your wealth outright, you can put it in a trust and have it be doled out to them over a number of years over the rest of their life. And that can be the right move for some kids.
Absolutely. And we do that often
for
people.